Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one beautiful 1968 Camaro, 4-speed car. You're gonna love checking this one out, guys. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the power plant. We're gonna look at the bucket seats. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up. So check this beauty out. Got the nose stripe on it, chrome looks good, grill looks great. We've got a couple of little touch-ups on the hood. All the chrome here on the hood's in great shape too. That hood fits nice and flush. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as an arrow. Great looking set of wheels and tires on it. Black stripe going down the side looks great. All the lines on the door line up nice. Door operates nice and smooth, and listen to that, even the door buzzer works. We're gonna pull the key out, or I'm gonna crawl under the dash and take that door buzzer out. Look at those door panels, they're beautiful. Carpeting looks good. The upholstery on the seats is in great shape. We got a Hurst shifter there in the center console. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. The upholstery on the back seat looks good. Headliner's in good shape. Shoulder belts are still there. Great looking dash pad on it. And the gauges are in beautiful shape also. The lenses are nice and clear. The faces on the gauges look nice. Beautiful car inside and out. Look down that quarter panel. She's nice and straight, smooth as can be. Great looking chrome. Great looking chrome here on the taillight bezels. We got our SS cap here for the gas. Inside the trunk, space saver spare. Looks like a jack and a lug wrench. Wheelhouses are nice and solid. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. All the gutters here are nicely painted. Bottom side of the deck lid looks good. Wheel lip moldings here in beautiful shape. It's got a big set of BFGs on it. Look at those babies, two 55/60/15s. That door's fitting nice and flush. The line looks good. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spent the time to check the car out before we bought it. We own about 225 cars right now, and we own every one of those cars, guys. So when they come here to the shop, we inspect them, so you can ask Tom any question about this car you want, and he'll know the answer. So give him a call. So let's go outside and drive this beauty. All right, 68 Camaro time, guys. Listen to that exhaust. Man, does this thing sound good. And it's an awesome color. And look at that big block hood out there. What a sweet ride. She's driving nice, shifting nice, stopping nice. Just an amazing ride here. And I love the sound of the tailpipes on this one. So at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts. We can ship this Camaro anywhere in the world. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And if you need help with financing, we can help there also. We got 2 bankers we work with. 15-minute phone call with the banker. This dream's in your drive. It's just that easy, guys. Give Tom a call. Get around the corner here and we will take a look at the dash. Look down here on the dash. We got the speedo working, the tax working. Aftermarket radio is working. The speaker in the dash is what it's hooked up to. The dash itself's in beautiful shape. And listen to that exhaust. I can't get over. This car sounds amazing, guys. We are right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and check us out, we'd love to have you. We've got about 222 cars in stock right now, and we'd love to show you every one of them. This Camaro is not going to be here long, guys. This is one of my new favorite colors right here. It's that electric blue, and it is popping. Get around the corner here, we're going to listen to that exhaust a little bit more. And don't forget, we also buy cars, guys. So if you've got a quality hot rod for sale, please give us a call. Or if you know someone with one for sale. We take trades also. Listen to that exhaust. Oh my gosh, it sounds great. Now here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. Now stick with us because we're going to do something the other guys don't do. We're going to put this Camaro up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. Then we're going to pop the hood and see what's making all that music out of the tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this blue Camaro now, and she is beautiful. We got a 12-bolt rear end with right around a 355 gear, and it is posi. Newer shocks. Now it looks like it's got new brake lines, and on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. It has had some floorboard work. I see some new metal. They did a beautiful job. Everything is solid welded. Gorgeous job putting all this stuff in. Looks like a new left-hand and right-hand floor pan were put in. Again, all welded in and seam sealed in. You can barely even tell it was done. We've got frame connectors too. Exhaust system looks great front to back. It looks like a Richmond 4-speed trans here, a cast bell housing. They've gone with a aluminum pan that's been all polished up. It's got a set of headers on it. Disc brakes up front. This looks like a new kit. I see a lot of new bracketry, new backing plate. The rotors feel like they're brand new. We do have a sway bar and the bushings look good there. I see brand new ball joints, brand new flex lines going to the brakes. Cross members in good shape here. It looks like the bushings were done at one time and the lower control arms. The front frame horns are nice and straight. Paintwork right down to the bottom edge looks good. Even the bottom side of the bumper shiny on this dude. That bumper looks like it's brand spanking new. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we've got two 25/60/15s, some BFGs. Great looking center claps. The rims are nicely painted. The trim rings look great. Wheel lip molding looks good, and take a look at the paintwork right down to the bottom edge of the front fender. And whenever you can, get up in there behind there and feel around. It's nice and smooth metal back there, guys. No rot in this fender. And that rocker, look at that rocker. Look how nice and straight it is. It's got a couple of dents here, maybe from a lift, but it is solid as a rock and smooth as a baby's butt. Let's look at the rear tires. Out back here, we have got two 55/60/15s. Again, center caps look great, trim rings look great. Wheel lip molding looks like it's brand new. And that rocker, smooth as can be. That pinch weld looks good. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, take a look at the shine under here. We got an Durashine Edelbrock intake. It's got a Performer 750 4-barrel carb on it. Looks like it's mechanical secondaries, and it's got accelerator pumps on both ends. We've got a Mallory distributor and MSD Box fire net distributor. The headers are coated aluminum Edelbrock heads. It's got a shiny water pump. It's got an aluminum cover on the timing chain. She's got a shiny power steering pump, a shiny alternator, shiny power booster on the power brakes, and we even got chrome hinges on the hood. Cross flow radiator. This closeout panel's real nice in the front. An Optima battery. New fiberglass on the hood, and even the hood springs polished up. It's all brand new chrome, guys. This car is absolutely drop dead gorgeous under the hood. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.